Now, before we understand the concept of continuity of a function, let's revise the concept of limits. We have this particular number line, x equals to 2 is here, and if we say x approaches to 2 or x tends to 2, it means value of x is approximately 2. On the left hand side, the value of x would be less than 2, so which can be denoted as x tends to 2 minus. The minus indicates that x is slightly less than 2. And on the right hand side, value of x is greater than 2, which will be denoted by x tends to 2 plus. Now we say it is approximate value is less than 2. So we can take, suppose the value of x equals to as 2 minus h, where what is h? H is almost tending to 0. Similarly, value of x is what? Greater than 2. So we can take value of x is equals to 2 plus h. And where h of course tends to 0 here. So what we have here, when we find left hand limit, limit x tends to 2 minus we write, and function is here. In the next step, what do you do? We suppose value of x is equals to 2 minus h, value is less than 2, so we put 2 minus h, so it has become f 2 minus h. And limit also changes as h tends to 0, and we get the value of this here. For right hand limit, limit x tends to 2 plus function we write here. Now value of x is greater than 2, so we suppose value of x as 2 plus h, slightly greater than 2. So f in place of x we put here 2 plus h. And what is h? H tend to 0. So the entire system has h only, no x now. Now we take an example here. Fx equals to the 2 function here with condition x less than equal to 1, and here it is x is greater than 1. We have to evaluate this limit x tend to 1 fx. We know that the limit exists if left hand limit answer is equals to right hand limit answer. So what is answer of left hand limit? Limit x tends to, we are finding it on 1. So limit x tend to 1. For left hand limit it is 1 minus. It stands for x is less than 1. Now see a function for less than 1. The function is 5x minus 3. So write the function 5x minus 2. Now change the limit. What value of x will suppose? That is 1 minus h. So put value 5 in place of x will put 1 minus h minus 2. What is h here? H tends to 0. Now put the value of h equal to 0 here. So what is the answer? 5. 1 minus 0 minus 2. Answer is 3. Now for right hand limit, limit x tends to 1 plus. This stands for x is greater than 1. Search a function for greater than 1. The function is 2x plus 1. So write it here 2x plus 1. Now limit value of x will suppose as greater than 1, which is 1 plus h. So it's going to be 2 1 plus h plus 1. What is h? H tend to 0. Now put the value of h equal to 0 here. Answer is 2 1 plus 0 plus 1, which is also 3. Now we already know when left hand limit answer is 3, right hand limit answer is also 3. Since left hand limit is equals to right hand limit equal to 3, therefore this limit exists. And what is value of limit? Which is the answer of your left hand limit and right hand limit. So the answer of this limit is, that is the 3 here. Now if someone asks you what is value of function at the point x equal to 1, that is f1. For finding value of this function fx at x equal to 1, you search where we have x equal to 1. X equal to 1 is written here, equal sign. So put the value of x as 1 here in the function. So what is the answer of f1? F1 answer is going to be, in place of x, we'll put 1 here. So it is 5 into 1 minus 2. So 5 into 1 minus 2, the answer is 3 here. Now we come to the topic continuity of a function. For the graphical representation, a function is said to be continuous if we sketch the graph of a function without lifting the pen. This is a continuous function. Now, whereas if I plot the graph of this particular curve here, and then I lift the pen, there's a slight gap here or hole here. So that means the curve is not continuous at this particular point. So this is a discontinuous curve at x equals to point A here. Now, a function is continuous at a point x equal to c if its left hand limit is equals to right hand limit and the value of function at the point c here. This we already have studied. How we find left hand limit? See, limit x tend to, for left hand limit, what is it? It is minus sign. X tend to c minus means value is less than c. So function we write. Now what we do? We take the value of x as what? C minus h. So f c minus h, and limit always h tend to 0. So we got answer of limit here. Similarly for right hand limit, what do you do? Limit x tends to c plus function fx we write. Now change the limit. When we take value of x as c plus h. So what is it? Limit f in place of x will put c plus h, and h tends to 0. We get the answer of limit here also. Now what is value of function fc at point c? We'll evaluate according to the function given here. Its answer should also be L. So if your left hand limit is equals to right hand limit equals to value of the function, then we say the function is continuous at the point c here. Now take an example. Test the continuity of fx equals to, these two conditions have been given here at the point 3. So when a function is continuous, when we have the left hand limit is equals to right hand limit equals to value of the function at 3. So let us find them one by one. What is left hand limit at 3 minus? It stands for x is less than 3. What is function for less than 3? It is 3x plus 2. In the next step, you change the limit. Value is slightly less than 3. So we'll take value as x as 3 minus h plus 2. Limit is what? H tends to 0. Put h equal to 0 here. What is the answer? 3 into 3 plus 2. Answer is 11. Right hand limit. Limit x tends to 3 plus stand for x is greater than 3. For greater than 3 function is 5x minus 4. So it is 5x minus 4. Limit in place of x, would you put 3 plus h? So 5, 3 plus h, where h tends to 0. Now put the value of h equal to 0. So what is answer? 5 into 3 minus 4. 15 minus 4, that is 11. Thirdly, left is f3. What is value of function at 3? So here at x equals to 3, we'll put value 3 here in the function. So it is 3 into 3. 3 into 3 plus 2. It's going to be 11. Now what we see in the entire question? Left hand limit answer is 11. Right hand limit answer is 11. Or function value is 11. So left hand limit is equals to right hand limit equals to f3. So what is it? Function fx is your continuous function at x equals to 3 here. That's it.